how to record your screen.
Oh yeah?
Because you know I'm all about that bass.
Hey guys, this is Gretchen here, and I'm going to be showing you how to record on your screen without them be able watching everything you do on your screen. So just go to your Play Store app and then search in Recordable No Root. There's a bunch of different video things that you can record your screen with, but this is the one I use. It's not super well, but I just got a update. There was a new update. So most people are like, it doesn't work, and then most other people say, yes, it works great. I think it works great so far, but the only thing was mine kept bugging, and well, not bugging, but